Grey Wolf Epic. In Grey Wolf epics, themes of heroism, independence, patriotism, and struggle are commonly explored. Heroes narrate significant events and victories in the history of the Turkish nation through legendary figures and symbols. The grey wolf, frequently used as a symbol in these epics, typically represents the strength, unity, and resilience of the Turkish people. A Turkic tribe, led by a heroic leader, resists against challenging conditions and ultimately achieves victory. The epics emphasize the courage, sense of justice, and loyalty to their homeland of these heroes. However, it should be noted that grey wolf epics are widely spread across various regions, and there are different versions with varying details. Therefore, while there are general commonalities in the epics, the specifics may differ. Let's now examine one of these epics. The Grey Wolf epic is recorded in the 50th section of the official history of the Zhou dynasty, which ruled in China, and also in the official history of the Sui dynasty, another Chinese dynasty. It recounts the resurgence of the Gökturks, who ruled in Central Asia between 552 and 744, after being decimated by an enemy raid. According to the epic, the surviving Gökturk people regenerated from a male and a female grey wolf after the devastating attack. The earliest ancestors of the Turks lived on the western coast of the Western Sea. The Western Sea in the legend could refer to the Aral Sea. It is also possible that the Western Sea was a lake on the Altai Mountains or the Tian Shan Mountains. The Turks were defeated by the armies of a country called Lin. The enemy soldiers indiscriminately killed all Turks, regardless of age or gender. Only a 10-year-old boy survived this great and ruthless massacre. The enemy soldiers found this child but did not kill him. To ensure that the last living Turk suffered, they cut off his arms and legs, throwing him into a swamp before leaving. When the enemy ruler learned that one last Turk was left alive, he immediately ordered, "Kill this last Turk as well, and let the root of the Turks be completely eradicated." The enemy soldiers returned to the swamp to find the child but couldn't. Earlier, a female grey wolf had come and seized the child by the nape of his neck with her teeth, carrying him away. The wolf brought the child to an isolated cave surrounded by high mountains in the Altai range. Inside the cave was a vast plain covered with grass and meadows, surrounded by steep mountains. The grey wolf licked and cared for the child's wounds, healed him, fed him with her milk and the meat of the animals she hunted, and raised him. Eventually, the child grew up, entered adolescence, and the last surviving Turk married the grey wolf. From this union, 10 children were born. The children grew up, married external partners, and reproduced. The Turks multiplied and spread to the surroundings. They formed armies and attacked the country of Lin, taking revenge for their ancestors. They established a new state, regained control in all directions, and in honor of their Turkic leaders, a flag with a wolf's head always waved in front of their tents.